Hey, I'm Hugo, I'm product manager for the Tulip library, and I'm here this week at Hanover Messe. I'm very excited to introduce you our latest product, our latest launch, the Composable MES for regulated industries. And so traditional MES are slow, expensive, and complex to adapt to your operations. And let me show you how Tulip is much easier, much faster, and much more adaptable to your operations. So the content that we release with this Composable MES for regulated is a new Traceability App Suite that will allow you to perform assembly and track every single component that goes into your assembly, every single defect that happens. Everything will be tracked and reviewable at the end in our review application that will allow you to review all the components, all the defects, all the events that happened during that assembly. That's the first app suite. The second app suite that we're releasing is called Frontline QM. And with that app suite, you will be able to manage everything around your inspections. You'll be able to manage your calibrations and also manage your defects through a material review board that will allow you to scrap or potentially rework your materials. The other two app suites that are made of this Composable MES for regulated is production management and inventory. So the bottom line here is with Tulip, with our Composable MES, you can get started and digitize your operations in weeks and not years. The last thing I want you to see is the team took these applications and adapted them to stations here that you can come and experience. They actually did that in a few hours, taking the content from the library and putting it in the physical world. And so you can come and experience the inspection, the assembly, and the kitting apps from our new Composable MES for regulated. So thank you for watching. We are here the whole week at Hanover, Hall 15 and booth G71. Thank you.